Welcome to Hey English Quiz for Kids Part 1. I have four legs. You can sit on me. I can't walk. What am I? A chair. I come in a box. I have many pieces. I make a picture. So, what am I? I am a puzzle. I am king of fruit. I am yellow in color. My taste is sweet. So, what am I? A mango. I am cold. I am delicious and sweet. I come in a bowl or a cone. Tell me who I am. Ice cream. I am beautiful. I have seven colors. I appear after rainfall. What am I? Rainbow. I have wheels. I run on tracks. You need a ticket to ride me. What am I? I am a train. I am an animal. I live in the jungle. I like to eat banana. So, what am I? I am a monkey. I am an animal. I have a long neck. I have long leg also. What am I? Giraffe. I am a vegetable. My color is red. Rabbits like me so much. What am I? I am a carrot. I am hot. I am bright. I give you heat. What am I? A sun. I am an animal. I have four legs. I give you milk. So, what am I? A cow. I am an animal. I am very soft. I like to eat carrot. What am I? I am a rabbit. I am an fruit. I am red. I give you power. Apple. I am an bird. I am your national bird. I like rain. I am a peacock. I am an animal. I am king of jungle. I am very powerful. So, what am I? I am lion. I am a bird. I am green. I like to eat chilies. What am I? it. Thank you for watching.